So, good day. My name is Lawrence Emanuel Magnanaso, and I'm going to explain the principle of distinction and principle of proportionality. So, what is principle of distinction? So, the principle of distinction requires all parties in an armed conflict to clearly distinguish between combatants and military objectives and civilian objects. Only the military targets may be attacked, while the civilians and civilian property must be protected from direct attack unless civilians directly participate in hostilities. This principle aims to reduce civilian casualties and prevent indiscriminate attacks. So ang principle of distinctions kay ang dapat lang i-attack kay mga enemy, and ang civilians kay dapat protektahan also kanang uh, mga mga civilian properties. And next is principle of proportionality. So kani lahi ni siya sa principle of distinction kay ang principle the principle of proportionality states that even when attacking a legitimate military target, the expected civilian harm must not be excessive. Compared to the anticipated military advantage, commander must carefully assess the consequences of an attack and take precautions to minimize civilian casualties and damage to the civilian property. Also, excessive force that cause unnecessary suffering violates this principle. So, in other words, ang kaning principle of proportionality kay dapat pod ang civilian dili pargabihan ang harm, like para sa silang duha dapat i-protect ang civilian, pero dapat ma-minimize ang damage para dili ni ma-minimize ang damage sa civilian para dili ni ma-regulate na principle. I mean dili ma-violate. That's all.